Welcome to this relaxing 5-minute meditation. Let's focus on gentle stretches paired with deep breathing to release tension from both your body and mind. As you begin, find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and let your body relax into this moment. Take a long, deep breath in and release slowly, letting go of any stress or tightness you're carrying. Start by gently lowering your right ear toward your right shoulder. Continue to breathe softly as you feel the stretch along the left side of your neck. Let go of any tightness in your shoulders and just hold here for a moment, breathing deeply. Now, slowly bring your head back to center and lower your left ear toward your left shoulder. Breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, slowly bring your head back to center. Now, from your seated position, breathe in as you reach both your arms up to the sky, lengthening through your spine. As you exhale, lower your arms, letting them rest at your sides, and gently stretch your fingers. Breathe in deeply as you lift your right arm overhead, gently leaning to the left for a side stretch. Feel the opening along your right side as you breathe deeply and allow your body to sink into the stretch. Slowly come back to center, lifting your left arm and gently leaning to the right. Breathe in deeply, and as you breathe out, release any tension in your side. Slowly, lower your arm and continue to breathe softly. Now, Gently twist to your right, placing your left hand on your right knee and your right hand behind you. Take a deep breath in, lengthening your spine, and as you exhale, deepen the twist. Slowly return to center and gently twist to your left, placing your right hand on your left knee and your left hand behind your back. Bring your body back to a neutral center position. Place your hands on your knees or in your lap. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. Breathe out slowly, letting go of any last tension in your body. Now, just focus on your breathing for a moment. Continue breathing deeply for a few more moments, focusing on how your body feels, lighter, more relaxed, and at peace. Bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, and when it feels good to do so, gently open your eyes. May you be filled with goodness and peace. Namaste.